What is that? Is that what is that? Like, oh my gosh, what is that? It's so beautiful. I've never seen anything like it. I just want to touch it. Mike. What? Look at how beautiful this is. Did you just faint? Yeah, this is so beautiful. But it's got a little mirror in it, see? You can see something. It's like a ghost. Where? Ghost? Where? There. I don't see no ghost. I saw a ghost. I swear I saw a ghost. But I don't think we should go near it. I don't see no ghost. You're lying. No, I saw a ghost. This could be dangerous. You never know. Maybe I should call my sister. Do that then. She's here. Hi. Hi! Okay, so what do you want? Anything in particular, or do you just want me to come? Look at this. It's so beautiful. Like, who even created this? What is that? I don't know, but it looks awesome. But it could be dangerous because I saw a ghost through the mirror. He's just lying to make me scared and walk away because you know how much I'm in love with gems lately. Well, that doesn't look like a gem. Yeah, but it could be something special and it could be worth millions of dollars. Like, I don't think anyone's found it. It's pretty dirty. Ooh, look, I can see myself. Hi. Wee. Yay. Yeah, we could just, we could be millionaires. Yeah. Aren't you happy about that? Well, not really, because I don't want to be a millionaire. Oh, well, that means that you're so weird. Now, let me see if I can open it. No. My name's not Pinkie Pie. You act like her. Well, I'm not. I'm Cherry Bomb. Try and open this thing. No. Cherry Bomb, don't. Like, don't. Yeah, we don't know what it is. Well, I do. It's a gem. Let me try and open it. You just fell over me. Look, I'm strong, so I might be able to do it. God, that is tough. Do you know? Who, me? Miss Verity doesn't know. Maybe we could, like, smash that? No way. We get in so much trouble. This might not even be ours. Maybe it's locked. That's it. Look for a lock. Ah! What are you doing? Looking for a lock? You're gonna break it. Am I? Oops! I'm gonna break it. Great idea, though. I can break it. Cherry Bomb, are you alright? Where's she going? I have no idea. Guys, look what I found! Ugh, what's that? Yeah, what is that? I'm standing back. Yeah, you should stand back. Because this is very dangerous. I can't open it still. Wait. It looks like a wand. A wand? No, it's a sword. Wait. Why is there stuff coming out of it? Where? Do it again. I saw some stuff coming out. Okay. Ooh. Maybe it is a wand. Let's try the wand. Ah. Cool. Okay. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Maybe you need a different spell. You're right. I do need a different spell. Bibbidi bobbidi boo. Oh, not again. Open this box. It worked. It's open. Ah! Where? Oh, it's actually open. Don't touch it with your dirty hooves. It's mine. Let's get it out. Ooh. Oh, it's heavy. Look at it. I think it spins. It looks like it's spinning. Ooh. Is it fun? It's like, oh my gosh. Hi me. Hi me. Ooh. This is so fun. We should definitely bring this home. Okay, well let's put it in the box and take it to the police station. No! Take it home. Yeah, and become millionaires. Yeah, that's the best idea I've ever heard you say.